Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Joyabzo. Today in this video I'll be teaching you how to partition your hard disks into two separate drives where you can be able to manage files, and it gives you security against file loss in case one part of the hard disk is corrupted. So this is what you simply do. You go and search disk management. So from the disk management option, this is it. So the first part is 100 megabytes, that's for healthy EFI system partition. And the second part is the main aspect. I've not yet partitioned it. That's the drive C. So to partition, this is what you do. You simply right click on it, go to shrink volume. And it will query out the size that you have available on your disk. So this is the size available. To really understand this, you open your calculator. So it's simply, I'll just copy this and divide it by 1024. So that is about 234 gigabytes left. So if you want to partition, you just calculate using the same method. So 1024 by, so I'll partition 200 gigabytes out of that. So when I equate this, I'll have 204,800, and you copy it, paste it here. So you simply type it 204,8000. So it's processing it, and as you can see here, so this has been shrinked out, but it's not yet created as a partition. So you just go to create simple new volume, same size, assign to letter, whichever letter you prefer. If you are formatting it a number of times, you can use different lettering for all of them. So you can partition more than 5 times, 6 times, depending on you and depending on the size. So at this place, you can change the name. So I'll change it simply to Yabzo. And enable this, that's for file compression and folder compression. There might be a need to compress certain files and folders in that disk. So enabling it can be a plus. But if for whatever reason you don't need to partition it, just leave it out, then it will format it that it has been created. So when I open this PC, I now have what? 2 drives, that's disk C and disk E. So I can simply copy files into it and it will work for me. So I just move this to and to copy. So basically that's how you create partitioning in Windows, and this works. So you can, if you have to partition more, you just simply use the same method and continue. So thank you for watching this video. If it added value to you, do well to subscribe and hit on the thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video to others, as it will help boost the channel. And thank you very much to all subscribers and all those watching my videos. We just monetized. Yeah, glory to God, we monetized. So there'll be more coming up, and you enjoy it when you subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, it's bye bye.